For my capstone project to finish my master's in data science at Northwestern, I've implemented a Flask application whose deployment is integrated with various AWS services. The app is built to organize financial or machine learning models into versions, saving metadata and user-inputted model parameters to a database. The code is organized in such a way that can be scaled to trigger model retraining powered by any algorithm written in Python. The project aims to encourage financial modeling to occur outside of Excel. In this video, I will start by demoing what the app does and then review how the app is deployed. Here, navigating to the public IP where the app is deployed, the home page allows the user to view or add models. By clicking View Models, I'm navigating to a screen to a login. User signup occurs through a separate script at the moment and is not exposed in the app for security reasons. This script is included in the Git repository. If more complex authentication were to be implemented, the architecture would certainly allow for a signup page. Now, inputting my login credentials, I can view the models already created. At the moment, all models are public to all users, but this can be easily expanded to be user-specific. Here, I am connected to the RDS PostgreSQL database that is used by the app. Running in development mode, the app can also use SQL Alchemy to connect to a local Postgres. Development mode versus production mode can be toggled just with one variable. If I query the financial model table, here I see the same information as I see in the app. Now, I can also view model parameters, add models, or add parameters. So if we add a model parameter, for instance, I'll name it param, and I'll make the value, say, 9. And now when I view the parameters, I see the parameter that we just added. At the moment, all the app does is add to the database as a proof of concept. However, the blueprints can easily reference backend model wrappers that can implement any backend business logic or model code. Now to dive into the deployment. The repository in GitHub contains a Docker file defining the Docker image and a make file to make building and releasing easier. The Docker image is pushed to AWS's Elastic Container Repository. Here, we see when the last image was pushed. I also deployed an instance in AWS's Elastic Container Service, which is set up to read the latest image from the container repository. Here, you see the task running the image and the public IP down here that matches the IP of the application I demoed. In the future, the app can be integrated with CI/CD tools like CircleCI to make deploying easier. All the required setup steps are in the README of the GitHub repository, linked in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.